magnet in the back because it was too flimsy. There you go.
Switch warning.
Here we go. All the little bleeps there. So that's tucked in. Right, here's my Galloping Ghost after her test flight, and pleased to see she's in one piece. Now the back end here, I took that other piece of stuff off to pull the canopy. I inserted another magnet in the bottom there, and then put this stuff over the top and epoxied it. As for the battery installation, I put a strap on a ply plate and pull that out of there. You can see the plate there, and I've put some of that rubber mesh on it to stop the battery sliding, and it works really well. It hasn't moved in flight, obviously, which is what you don't want to happen because it changes with CG, and I didn't like the way the original was done with just a piece of velcro. So that's much better. On each of these I put a blob of Yoo-hoo Pour that applies to all the control surfaces, links all around the plane, and yeah, she goes really well. Can't believe how well this thing flies. I needed quite a lot of down trim, so I'm going to have to investigate what's going on there, but that's the only real issue with it. And there's a little pilot I made yesterday just to sort of clean it up a bit, make it look a little bit better, and look, and that clips down beautifully. So yeah, this is the Galloping Ghost Hobbyking P-51 Mustang. Not sure if they still sell them, but I got this at the end of the last sale they had. I think it was about 80 quid. Yeah. And it's been sat here doing nothing. I thought, well, about time I got it out and flew it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Oh, this camera is a 4K Odero. It's a hat mounted cam. Well, it goes on with a little kind of clip around your head like a headband. Works pretty well, but if you're flying anywhere and you want a video, you can't really do that, obviously. So this is the next best thing, but there's no zoom function, so you just see pretty much a dot in the sky, but it'll do. Anyway, all done.